So, we're at our local library today, and we are walking. Yep, walking all the way down.
Walking all the way.
As you can see, there's like a little lake, so that's pretty cool. And there's a bunch of people. We're trying to find a good spot to, you know, sit at.
Yeah.
Oh, and my mom and a few others are missing right now,
There's
so.
also a lot of kids with toys, light up toys.
Yes. Oh.
And it's technically still kind of light outside, so.
Say hi to my little assistant, Jonathan.
Hello.
Yes.
So,
Hello.
There is a lot of people here, but we might find a little open space so that we find a little area so that we can sit out and wait until the fireworks start rolling in.
Yeah.
Fireworks start rolling in, and probably the fireworks start. Oh, there's a lot more people here. The peoples.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of people.
The peoples are coming.
The peoples, really?
Yes, the peoples. That's what YouTubers say, okay?
Peoples? Oh no. That is no. That's not.
That's what YouTubers say.
Oh man.
Our peoples are And guys, I have a little advice for you. If you have a fear of talking to random people, you should grab some bars and talk to them, say something about them, and then you overcome your fear of talking to random people because you talk to peoples.
I have no idea what you just said, but I will take that as a yes.
People. So I think you can see this area is quite festive.
Yes. We got a dope basketball court and a dope senior center. It's pretty cool.
Even a dope thing that's over the lake. There's also a little dock area. Woo. So, you can smell burning out here. You definitely smell burning out here.
Is it really burning, Jonathan? Probably. More like smoke.
At least smoke.
Yeah. Ayo. Okay.
We are adventuring into very quiet area. We are going into the people zone. The zone where a lot of people are going. Maybe aliens will abduct here first.
Aliens?
If aliens.
Why aliens?
Aliens might go here first today because there's a lot of people to abduct.
Yeah, okay.
Freezing away the line.
Whoa.
We need to get closer.
No, we don't have to get closer.
Do we?
No, it's gonna be up there.
Okay.
Yeah, over here.
Anyway. Okay, so we found our spot now. So
We found our spot over a sewage thing.
yes.
Right? We found our spot over a sewage thing. Sewage pipe. So we're just going to wait and we'll wait. Oh, fireworks!
Cool.
Fireworks!
Wait, what? I can't see anything.
Fireworks!
Anyway, I'm just gonna end the vlog here because this is probably
We're
gonna
going to continue this later.
probably.
When the fireworks start rolling in. So, bye guys. Bye.
Yeah, okay. That was my cousin Jonathan. Don't mind him too much. Bye.